talking about briefly on the LASIK procedure. LASIK is basically a laser which is done to remove the glasses number from the younger population uh, if the patient is wearing minus number, that is myopic and short-sighted. We do get the best results for myopia, but not very good results for the hypermetropia, that is the plus number. The myopia normally happens due to at the young age, and gradually the number increases up to the age of 19 to 20 as long as the body growth is there. So it is advisable that the LASIK procedure should not be done before the age of 20 years. The number normally needs to be constant for at least a year before the procedure can be done, and the patient should consult the eye doctor where his complete eye checkup is done, followed by a couple of tests, that is the OCT and the topography and pachymetry for the cornea. If all the parameters and the tests are fine, then the patient is cleared for the LASIK procedure. We have mainly two procedures which are best in the world, which is being done regularly by Mohon Eye Institute. One is the blade-free corneal flap, what we call it as a femtosecond laser, and the second one is the flap of the cornea which is made by the blade. Both the procedures are extremely successful as long as the doctor is following the guidelines for LASIK. It is very important for all the patients to know that LASIK procedure is not applicable for every human being. There are certain guidelines which need to be followed. The results after the LASIK procedure are extremely good, where the patient is able to read the chart completely the next day and is able to read the near vision as well. There are very minimal precautions after this, and patient can move around wherever he wants to go and also can proceed with all his normal activities in life. And he needs to be on the topical medications for 1 month.